Today I'd like to demonstrate a new capability I've developed for PowerBuilder data window controls, and that is the AutoFilter capability based on AutoFilter functionality that is found in Excel 2007. Here we have a data window with a variety of columns of different data types. As you'll see, there's a total of 512 rows right now in the data window, and I have this control in the upper corner to turn on AutoFilter. If I turn that on, each column gets a little drop-down button added to it, and if you click on the button, you'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of options, including sorting, ascending and descending, clearing any existing filter that may exist on the column, customized predefined filters based on the data type, and then a checkbox list to select all or none of the values, and this is a list of unique values that are found in that column. This could be populated up to 10,000 items depending on the user's or the developer's preference at design time. So the user simply has to select those items that they want to filter on, click OK, and the data window is filtered according to that selection. If they want to perform a custom selection, you can simply pick custom filter, and here we have one predefined, begins with J and does not equal Gene Simmons. So it can also be case sensitive if the user wished. But if you select that, then we get only those names that begin with J, but Gene Simmons is excluded from it. And if we bring down the drop down again, we can see Gene Simmons was excluded, but other names beginning with a J were included in the filter. This drop down is resizable if the user needs to see a longer list of values, or perhaps a wider character strings than what's in the default size of the drop down. In addition to filtering on one column, you can continue to filter. Oh, and the power tip also tells you what the current filter is defined as there. You can filter on multiple columns simultaneously. For example, currently there's only these two cities in the 192 rows that are on display, so we could say we only want to look at those people that are in Palm Bay, and the filter gets reduced accordingly. So now we're filtering both on name and we're filtering on city. Date columns have additional capabilities. Again, you can see that the sort, instead of saying A to Z, is now saying oldest to newest. We have date filters, which are predefined options, filtering by day, by week, by month, quarter, or year, and also a custom filter. The custom filter, again, allows multiple parameters. As you can see, there's a variety of parameters that can be chosen, and in addition to that, the drop-downs that are presented to the user are pre-filled with the unique values, again up to 10,000 of the values that are in column, and the user does have the ability to type in their own entry, and they also have the date picker control that was implemented in PowerBuilder 10.5. You can bring down a menu of dates, and the date picker control there, all the functionality that is in the date picker control can be used to specify a date. And you'll notice that the control does pre-fill with the value that's in the drop down, and if you pick a different date, of course, then the value changes, and then you can change your filter there. So now we have three columns that are being filtered. The micro help tells you what the filter is. You can clear the filter one at a time to get back to where you started from. And that's basically the functionality that this control provides. It can be used with or without the PFC. It can be implemented very easily in existing applications. Just simply dragging this control into your window and adding 4 lines of code to your data window control is all you really need to do in order to implement this capability and have AutoFilter for your data window control. Of course, the buttons resize as the window gets resized. That's not an issue. And that's it. If you'd like more information on this capability or this control, you can contact me at this email address. Thanks for listening and watching.